Hey, this is Joey here at Best Trailers. Here today, I'm going to show you the shifter. We just got this trailer in. This is the new Futura model. It's their steel line of car haulers. A little bit more affordable, a little bit tougher too. We add the air dam to them. This is not a standard feature. We add the air dam and the spare tire to all of our shifter models. But just like the aluminum Futura trailers, you got a toolbox in the front. Everything's stored up there. There's a on-off switch to where you can use it with a wireless remote to lift it up and down. You've got a 2 5/16 coupler, safety chains here on the front. Fenders are removable. You can pull the fenders on and off. Now, one of the other features with this deck they got on here, you've got the holes cut in the middle, save a little bit of weight, as well as right here. Now, these are tough, so you can put a D-ring or strap, right strap, anything right here in these holes, secure your car down. Makes it really easy if you're using wheel straps or tire straps. There's LED lights all the way around, brakes on both axles. Now, the new shifter trailers, typically the aluminum Futuras had a cable system. The new steel shifter trailers are coming with the hydraulics underneath them. So you got a new design instead of the cables. It's a torsion suspension, so you get the smoother suspension ride still on it. And you can see with it lower down right here, you got a real low clearance. Get any of the low cars on there. Not a problem. If you do take the air down, there's 2 bump stops on the front right there to help keep you from driving too far forward in case you go too far forward. Now, we can add the same options to this, like the tire rack. If you want to do a tire rack, take your car to the track. We've got a number of different options we can do for them. We've got 8 of these that just came in. We had 2 of them pre-sold before the shipment even got here. From what I've heard, we are the first ones to get them in. So if you need one, come see us. And I'll lift it up a little bit so you can see that as well. Now, when you do get it up, there is 4 locks all the way around it. You just flip these 2, and that'll lock the bed in case you ever lose pressure and everything goes down. Same thing, when you get ready to let it down, flip all 4 locks up, this side and that side, and then just hit the down button and let it go down. Now, we have nationwide delivery and financing through Sheffield Financial or other finance companies. Come see us today. We're in Byron, Georgia, 478-654-5350.